Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Today I need to create some music for my channel. I need to do an intro song. I need to do all the transitional stuff because my channel manager and editor, Mikey, has been editing videos and he's like, yo, it'd be really cool if you had a pick slide, you could just shoot me, or you had some intro music or outro music. We could throw in videos or background music even, but we don't have any. So I gotta frickin' create it. And honestly, I'm feeling a little bit of pressure about it because it's like, it needs to be the core of what I am. And I'm not just frickin' pee-pee poo-poo punk guy all the time. I have depth, okay? So I'm an open book, open tuning. Probably the vibe. Now it's gonna be funny because I'm gonna write a riff that's just... That is kind of the vibe of the channel. It is like an overhyped version of what my life is and what I do on the day-to-day being a full-time music producer. But I don't know, I mean, I love bands like Balancing Composure and Super Heaven and all that sort of stuff. So maybe it'll be something a little bit more slammy and cool guy. It's hard to make a cool guy song when you're a half Filipino, 5'8", mid-level producer, but we're gonna frickin' try. Honestly, those are the chords that are cool, and we just need to like grit up this tone a smidge more. There it is. Just a little bit more bite. All right, so that's the vibe. Get some drums going first. I've had a lot of people ask me about how I program drums so fast and how to get this drum sound when I just open up the session and it just sounds good. And to be honest, these are presets that I've dialed in for a long time, but I do have one-shots that I usually use that are available on my Patreon. They should be going up this week or the next week. So you can join my Patreon for the low price of $6.69. Of course it had to be that much, you know? Any other price is just too much or too little. If you want your drums to sound closer to how mine sound, then you would just blend in my one-shots and they should sound sick. Available on my frickin' Patreon. Little hard on that. Super third eye blind. And I need like a cool ass riff to bring it in. That's cool. Maybe it should be like, it's like Cocomelon. Welcome to Petexzen, the kids show. That's not it. Scratching this idea that's not me, dude. I don't drive a truck. I just steal Balancing Composure's riff for my intro. Oh, maybe the drop tuning is not the move. Maybe it needs to be minor drop tuning. Oh God. I'm on gauge 9 strings. That's what this channel is. Danger, experimentation, breaking strings. My next YouTube video is why I have to wear an eye patch the rest of my life because a string broke. Whoa, did I just invent the new tuning of the summer? Woo! That's a great loop. Okay, cool. So I know I like that. Even if that part is just like the in-between, like talking loop or something, that would be kind of cool. Sick. Got a gritty guy. Love that. Seems to be a little bit brighter. Let's throw a little devil lock on there. Just get a little bit more high going. know, it's a little too dirt bike rock. Maybe it should just be a little more dialed back. This has to be just the full riff coming in. What I need to do is just clean up that ending, and then when it goes to the next section, because like my idea is that all these different looping parts, you can kind of grab like a 4-bar beat and just loop it on repeat. It's at BPM 152, so you can kind of do whatever you want. Honestly, the intro can just be this. What's up? Welcome back. And then it's out, right? Let me just add some bass in. I don't think this thing has to be over the top and crazy. It's more just like the vibe. Setting the vibe, which is like usually super emotional sounding stuff, but not taking it too seriously. So things can be a little bit loose and... Let me find a groove that I can grit up behind it, or maybe for the intro. I like that. Modern, slamming, swaggy. I don't have any other S words. That's cool. It's really close. It needs a different snare on top. I think I need to grit this out a little bit or maybe clean it up. Maybe that one. Sometimes you just know. When you hear it, you're like, yep, that was the one that was meant to be there. Not the one that sounds good there, the one that's supposed to be there. And then watch it sound like poop when I play it back. No, it's perfect. I'm gonna delay it out. Let me get the low end in there. Try to catch the breaks too. Get a tambo in. You know we have to have a tambo. We can find a break fill to bring it in. Maybe? I like that ending. Okay, cool. So we have the intro to the channel, which I think would just be this. That's it, you know, and then like that section can be for just like zooming through parts, like fast forwarding parts or whatever. Hopefully it's in the same key of whatever I'm working on, or maybe you can transpose it, not sure. I think it sounds awesome. So with that being said, let's run a test sequence of the intro for a video, okay? Ready? So play the song in the background as I freaking walk up and get ready to play the video, and then fade the song out as it gets into it. This will be scene 1, practicing the intro. Here we go. Fake walk up, here I come. Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the Zen Den. Today we're going to be talking about the smallest penis in the world. So that can be one, right? And then for this, the background story. Now test the sequence of a story time. So there I was, the man with the smallest penis in the world, trying to just prove, let me get away from the fucking penis thing. What can I talk about? So story time. So there I was, a producer adding Decapitator to every single plugin, making sure everything was in phase, only to realize my zipper was down and I have the smallest penis in the world. There you go. I think that's everything. Sorry for the shorter video on beat. I did a lot of mixing today. I have a lot of cool stuff coming up. I'm working on some really cool collab videos and also working on my album this month. I'm just really grinding to get everything done so that I can get this 23 or 4 song album done. It's gonna be a grind, but it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be sick. And guess what? I want to make freaking hot sauce. And no, it won't be a bottle with just my bodily fluids in it. It's going to be, I don't know yet, but it's coming. So a lot of cool merch items are coming, and I'm just stoked you guys are watching the videos and joining and jumping along for the journey as I work through being a producer and finishing up an album. Hopefully I can give you guys some more tips and tricks, and just let me know what you want to see on the channel. I'm happy to do it. I know that this isn't going to be a mega viral type of video. This is more for the homies and the current viewership of the channel, but I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.